Okay, gonna go back to the video until I got a haircut. Hold on. Yeah. So that I don't get those sleeves dirty. Today I'm gonna be with my new air dry clay. I'm gonna start making the universe kind of like one of those, but she's a big inspiration. Anyways, let's get on to it. Okay, I started to feel it, and I don't know how much I went. Let's just grab enough of this. Let me just grab enough. I probably want. It's gonna be like not like blobs, but blobs. You know, I think probably more than that. I'm gonna be painting these like no dirt. I start making my own characters. Okay, this is what it's like. It doesn't really stretch. Kind of like, well, it's like whenever you add too much activator to your slime, we're gonna get like really like not be able to stretch at all. Okay, let's see how I want to make this shape. I'm gonna take so long. It's gonna definitely be more time. I need more time. Like how to. I wonder how people get to their channel to be YouTube Kids. It should be called the Alien Universe. It's gonna be like literally gonna be tiny little circles like that with little arms, no legs. But they are still somehow able to walk. More than that. This is gonna be like that. Look how many I think I'm gonna have a big obsession on. I'm replacing the arms. And first, come back.